Hey everybody, happy Thanksgiving. Here is some of our prep work. Asparagus wraps with cream cheese and ham. Our turkey brined overnight. Well, I guess it's just a breast. And we thought we'd try putting this on top. Bacon, a nice lattice. Of course, the sweet potatoes are yams, butter, marshmallows, and brown sugar. And we finally found French's onions, and green beans, and cream of mushroom, and some without. Over here, we are browning up some bacon for the green beans.
Tegan, come look.
Oh, it looks amazing.
It's turkey in a blanket.
Pretty good.
You did awesome. Good
Looks like
job. All right, $3.50 for 2.5 hours. All right, now we're gonna stuff some peppers with cream cheese and add a little bacon on top of those also. Here's the peppers, cream cheese, parsley, and garlic. And here's what the green beans look like. I guess we're not adding the bacon to anything else. Now on for the mashed potatoes and gravy. Come back soon for what it looks like afterwards. Thank you. Bye-bye. Happy Thanksgiving.